This is a video about the warning light cluster I made for 84 GL1200 Standard. I'm in process of converting the whole cluster to digital, but so far where I'm at is, like I said, the warning light cluster. Let's turn this thing on, which is the lower one. In the middle is the green, is neutral. This is oil light, turn signal, and right one, and this one is high beam. I'm not sure if I can turn on the overdrive, but the last one here is overdrive light. I made the whole thing out of a block of aluminum and used handlebar clamps to fasten it. Inside the block are, of course, LEDs, and each light has a resistor. I filled the whole thing with a hot glue to keep it watertight. And according to the service manual, this is the plug that is on the vehicle side, which is, this is one thing I learned about this wiring is there's two different kinds of systems, and one is with the one set of lights work with a constant negative, and one set of lights works with constant positive, which is constant negative is high beam, left turn and right turn. Oil, overdrive, and neutral are constant positive. There's two different. Initially, I made the whole thing in the thought of I just wire it up and be done with it, but actually there's two different kinds of circuits in there. I want to emphasize that, so you would be ready for that. On the wiring harness side, this is the plug end of it. As you look at it, it's this, the lower right is a constant positive, right above that is constant negative, which is upper one. Constant negative, I have wired a high beam, left turn signal and right turn signal. Constant positive, I have wired oil light, overdrive, and neutral. And here I leave the picture here for a while so you can see it and pause the video perhaps. Basically, top left is overdrive, oil pressure light is in the middle on the top, temperature gauge, which I need to add later on, is on the top right. Speedometer lights are on the middle left. Cluster lights are in the middle, and again, of course, this is constant negative. Neutral light is lower left. In the middle on the lower is a fuel gauge, which I also going to be adding it later, and constant positive is on the bottom right. So I hope this video helps, and good luck.